UX research is evolving fast, and AI is becoming a powerful assistant, from automating data analysis to predicting pain points before they even happen. AI is reshaping how we approach research. And the best part is that these AI tools aren't just smart, they are fast. So if you're tired of spending hours analyzing data, sifting through feedback, and hoping you didn't miss something important, then this is for you. These tools can save you hours of work so you can focus on what really matters, creating amazing user experiences. Let's dive in. Hello, MJ here, and today I am sharing 10 AI tools you can use in user research in 2025. Starting with Dovetail. This tool is great for organizing and analyzing qualitative data. It's a research repository that helps you store all your findings, transcribe interviews, and even collaborate with your team in real time. If you're still drowning in messy notes and scattered research, Dovetail will clean that for you. Plus, it's perfect for deriving insights from interviews and user tests. Next, we have ChatGPT. And you probably already know about this tool, but UX designers are using it for several tasks, like generating content, brainstorming ideas, generating copy, and even translating text. Sure, it's not a dedicated research tool, but it is an incredible, powerful assistant that can help you think through problems, draft reports, and answer questions you didn't even know you had. Next, we have Maze. This tool is a rapid testing platform that lets you gather both qualitative and quantitative data. Whether you're testing prototypes or collecting survey responses or maybe analyzing user feedback, Maze can handle it in real time. It's perfect for those iterative design processes when you need quick insights to fine-tune your designs. Now let's talk about Notion AI. It's another of those that are not your typical UX tool, but it may be great if you're already using it. Notion AI helps you draft content, brainstorm ideas, and stay organized. If you're juggling research notes, brainstorming sessions, and design files all at once, Notion AI will help you keep everything neatly organized. Plus, it can help you generate insights from your research documentation faster. Now we have UXTweak. This tool has a whole suite of research features, and this includes session recordings, heat maps, and usability testing. Whether you're tracking user behavior on your sites or maybe you're testing new features, UXTweak gives you insights related to how users are interacting with your designs. And this may be a great tool for those looking to improve their website performance and maybe the usability as well. The next tool is called Looppanel. This tool specializes in user interview analysis. It can transcribe user interviews and highlight key moments, so you don't have to sift through hours and hours of recordings. So it's perfect for researchers who want to stay on top of user feedback and quickly extract valuable insights without burning through time. Now let's talk about Claude.ai, which is another AI assistant that can help you with tasks like drafting reports, generating ideas, and answering queries. It is another that is not a tool specifically for UX design, but it's more like ChatGPT. The difference though is that Claude is better at summarizing complex research, and it's also better with ethical AI considerations, such as reducing biases and inclusivity, which could be very helpful when creating surveys or maybe research analysis from diverse user groups. Next, we have Survicate. This survey tool helps you gather user feedback across various platforms. You can target specific user groups and get quantifiable data that could help you on your design decisions. It may be a great way to dig deeper into user preferences and identify patterns that maybe you didn't even notice. Now, we also have Perplexity in our list. This is an AI-powered search tool that helps you find answers quickly, and it does this by aggregating information from multiple sources. So if you need a quick background research or maybe inspiration, Perplexity can give you concise, relevant answers fast. It is perfect for when you are diving into new research topics and maybe want to avoid information overload. Next, we have Sprig. This tool is all about getting real-time feedback from users with in-product surveys and user interviews. If you're testing your product or trying to gauge user sentiment in the wild, Sprig is your tool. You can collect feedback instantly and use the data to make design tweaks on the fly. So whether you're analyzing user behavior, collecting feedback, or streamlining your process, these AI tools are ready to transform your UX research process in 2025. Just remember, you are the designer, so always stay in control of your final design decisions. If you found these tools helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to become a design powerhouse with the tools of the future. See you next time.